Taki. We going to the car wash? You said you want to go to the car wash?
Remember how you've been saying it for the past 3 days? You wanted to go to the car wash? All right, yay, we're at the car wash.
Yay.
Yay.
You throw up them deuces.
Deuces at the car wash. Car wash.
What's your name?
Taki.
Taki?
How old are you, Taki?
2.
Good job.
2. Who is that?
It's the car wash.
Let's see. Let's see what that is.
Yeah, go on.
What? That's the car wash. You can't really see it. There you go. It's
see?
starting. Let me see Taki.
Let's see, Taki.
You like that?
Yes.
Yes.
You ready?
You was asking to go to the car wash? How you doing? What's wrong? What do you mean? What's going on? Wait a minute. Wait a
Wait,
minute.
tell him something isn't right.
Something isn't right. We're not going.
Are we in neutral? We in neutral.
Yeah, we're in neutral. Maybe that's what we get.
Yay! You ready to go home now? You want? No, you want to go through, right?
Is somebody
Let me
looking?
see. Wait.
We're having a technical difficulty.
I don't know.
Maybe will my truck fit through here? It does. It did
Yeah,
before.
we went through before. Beep the horn.
No, don't get out. Don't get out. Shut the door. We are. So that's what we get.
We might be off. We might be.
Taki, you looking? What's wrong with the car wash?
We broke the car
angels.
wash.
The angels are on his side, buddy.
I think we broke the car wash. We broke the car wash, buddy.
Here they come.
Where are the people? Blow the horn. So they can come up.
What?
Blow the horn so they can come up.
All right, because I don't want it to start. And then, okay. YouTube, we will. Taki say we be back. Throw them deuces up.
Say we be back. Throw them deuces, buddy. 2.
Deuces.
Deuces.